Well, another very warm and humid day yesterday. 89 was the high on La Crosse. Look at all the 90s in Rochester, Winona, Black River Falls, and Eau Claire. Even a 91 in Red Wing, 92 in the Twin Cities. Now that 89 yesterday in La Crosse was 16 degrees above our average high of 73. Marked the warmest day so far this year. Previously that was 86 degrees on May 16th. Also marked the warmest day since September 24th of last year when it was 93 degrees. So we're talking 8 months ago. Now this morning, skies are partly cloudy here in La Crosse. Kind of interesting as we look off to the north and west here. These are some thunderstorms north of the city of La Crosse. You'll see that on radar in just a moment. Currently out at the airport, 70 degrees, dew point at 65, and the Mississippi is falling 7.21 feet. So a lot of mild and fairly muggy air remains in place with temperatures mainly in the 60s. Even 70 here in La Crosse and also in Winona, 65 in Eau Claire and 68 in Decorah. Dew points between about 60 and 65 degrees. Anytime it climbs above 60, you'll feel that humidity. It's going to feel a little sticky as you step out the door this morning. So areas near and south of Interstate 90 stay dry overnight, but different story to the north. You had some scattered showers overnight and still some showers and a few thunderstorms up around Eau Claire. Also stretching from southeastern Minnesota back through parts of Buffalo, Trempealeau, and Jackson counties, now moving into Clark County as well. Nothing severe here, but some locally heavy downpours and again some lightning and thunder embedded in that as well. Now we have a weak boundary farther to the west. I'm expecting that to redevelop some thunderstorms across the area later this afternoon and into this evening. Sky Tracker will show that. Rain this morning kind of fizzles by about midday, and then later today after about 3 or 4 p.m. that line of storms redevelops and then slowly sinks south and east across the area, exiting out of the area after about 10 or 11 p.m. and then dry after that. And most of tomorrow will be dry as well. Just a small chance for a pop-up storm well south and east of La Crosse tomorrow afternoon. Now, today is an alert day thanks to the Storm Prediction Center having us in a slight risk of severe weather. What that means is some scattered severe storms are possible in these yellow shaded areas. Now, the local timing would be from about 3 o'clock this afternoon till 10 o'clock this evening. Main threat, strong winds, a little bit lesser threat of large hail. Could be some heavy downpours in this activity as well. So perfect opportunity to remind you to download our First Alert Weather app. It is free in your app store, weather specific, and a lot of apps are nationally based off of national computer models. Weather Channel app, for example, is based out of Atlanta. Well, this is our app. It's based out of information that we input from the storm team. So it's all about being local. It's a great way to stay informed and ahead of the storm. I highly suggest it. It is free in your app store, and it's a good way to kind of keep on top of what's heading our way. All right, here's your forecast details. 87 today, with scattered storms this morning to the north. More storms region-wide later this afternoon. 66 tonight, that chance of storms this evening. Partly cloudy and dry after midnight. And then tomorrow, it gets downright hot. 92, just a small chance for a storm south and east. Most of us will stay dry tomorrow and Sunday, but it's going to be hot right through the holiday weekend. Low to mid-90s for highs. Small chance for a storm on Memorial Day. A little bit better chance of rain next Tuesday and Wednesday. But boy, we're going to stay well above average right through next week with highs remaining in the 80s.